Hi everybody, this is Zach Rosette. This problem was taken from the Mathematics Vision project. This is Algebra 1, Module 1, Section 1.1, Problem 1. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the problem says, identify which of the three possible numbers is the solution to the equation. So the equation they give us is 3x plus 7 equals 13, and the three possible numbers that are solutions are either negative 2, positive 2, or positive 5. So there may be more than one solution, and we'll go ahead and check that at the end. But what you want to do when you get faced with a problem like this is you want to go ahead and plug in each of the solutions in for x and see which one actually works out. So we'll go ahead and we'll take these three numbers, we'll put it in for x right now, and we'll see which one's a solution. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So first we'll go ahead and use x equals negative 2. And we'll go ahead and plug in negative 2 for x. So I'm going to go ahead and write 3 and then parentheses negative 2. Okay, so instead of x now, I have put in negative 2 and I put parentheses so that it's still 3 times x, and this will be 3 times negative 2. Because when you have a 3 sitting outside of a parentheses like that, that just means that it's 3 multiplied by negative 2. So this still works. So next I'm going to go ahead and just bring down the plus 7 equals 13 into the rest of the equation. So I'll go ahead and put plus 7 equals 13. And then next I'm going to multiply 3 times negative 2, and we get negative 6. And then I'm going to bring down plus 7 equals 13 again. And then now I'm going to add negative 6 and 7 together, which is going to give me positive 1, and I get 1 equals 13, which is definitely not a solution. 1 does not equal 13, so x equals negative 2 is not a solution. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's try x equals positive 2. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in x equals positive 2. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing I did for the last equation. I'm going to do 3 times, and I'm going to put in 2 instead for x, and then I'm going to add in the plus 7 equals 13. Okay, I'm just going to bring in the rest of the equation in, and now I've plugged in 2 instead for x. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then I'm going to bring down the rest of the equation. I'm not going to change anything else. 6 plus 7 is 13, and we get 13 equals 13, which is awesome. That is exactly what we're looking for. 13 equals 13 is a solution. That makes sense. Okay, so now at this point in the problem, you want to ask yourself, okay, should we even check to see if x equals 5? Because it's likely that we've already got our solution. Now, there are some cases where you have more than one number ending up being a solution. So we're going to go ahead and check this anyways. I don't think that this is going to work, and I don't think that we'll run into this problem and these problems, but it's always good to check just in case. So let's go ahead and let's try x equals 5. So I'm going to put in x equals 5 in for x. I'll go ahead and start, and I'll put 3 times 5 equals, or 3 times 5 plus, and I'll go ahead and add the 7, equals 13. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 3 times 5 just like we've done in the past, and that's going to be 15. And then I'll bring down the plus 7 and the 13. And then 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. And we get 22 is equal to 13, which is definitely not true. Okay, so that is not a solution. 22 does not equal 13. And so x does not equal 5. Okay, so our solution is x equals 2. Okay, and we did a really good job because we checked all of our possible numbers and we ended up finding our solution. So I hope you thought this video was useful. Keep an eye out for more problems just like this in future videos. Thank you.